Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix durable AI publish errors in 2026. So if your website won't publish, the publishing process keeps failing, or you're seeing a publish error message, here are some common solutions you can try. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent durable AI from completing the publishing process successfully. Next, refresh the page and try publishing the website again. Yeah, temporary platform glitches can sometimes cause publishing requests to fail unexpectedly. If publishing is failing for multiple websites, check whether durable AI is experiencing maintenance, service interruptions, or unusually high traffic. Finally, attempt to publish the website again after applying these fixes. In many cases, refreshing your session, reviewing website settings, or correcting domain configuration issues will resolve the problem, and that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix durable AI publish errors in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.